Hello everyone, Zorn here from ZORNFX. So today I would like to break down the pay hours in New Zealand because it was my signal for the week when I was starting this week Monday. So I have taken hours in New Zealand as sell positions somewhere around here, and I'll be breaking down why I have taken my entry there, and I'm also going to show you how you guys can take it up. So basically, I can show you the picture of how I was taking my entry there and everything clearly. So first of all, while coming on to the higher time frame, this is the picture of ours in New Zealand current positions. So this is a market price. So now you guys can see that the market at these positions, we can expect a small retracement to the downside. So as we can be able to take our entry, and then I'll be breaking down here. So first of all, as if you guys can see here, the market was currently right here, and while coming on to the structure, this was the market broke off structure. So this was the broke off structure. Let me write it down here. So broke off structure, broke off structure. So here, whenever we see any types of broke off structures, we will definitely expect the market to the opposite candle of last previous opposite candle will becomes the order block. So it's a quite normal shitty thing, everyone knows it. So what I'm gonna do is I'll be taking this box as my a 50% retracement level, where I'll be taking my entry there. So this is somewhere, this is a point I'll be taking my entry here. So there we go. So this is my entry trigger point. So let me close my Fibonacci. So this is something I would like to take my entry off. So this is so far on the 4 hour time frame, but to need refined entry, to have a refined entry, we need to break it down on the smaller time frames too, because that is a rule, the top down analysis. And while coming on to the 2 hour time, see 2 hour time frame is basically my one of my favorite time frame, where I can see everything clearly, even though the market structure is shown very much clearly. So as well coming on to this point, so the market slightly started breaking up structures. So this is my structure broken. So clearly, as we can see here, the market started going up. So now while coming on to the 1 hour time frame, now we need to see how the market is going to be react at that point. So this can be an entry point. So clearly, as now so far, market started ranging up. So this is a ranging point. There we go. So that was our entry point right here. So we can have an entry, but we can have our entry here. This, we can take this as a one of our entry point. But according to me, I need something a highly profitable, what I'm gonna say, that high probability trade. I need the high probability trade, so as I can be able to clear all my positions. So this is one entry according to the order blocks, but for me, I need something extra confluences. We cannot expect, sometimes the order blocks goes against for us. I don't believe on the order blocks. Maybe even if we have a high accuracy rate on the order blocks, I don't believe it. According to me, I need something close, I need something confluences, so as I can be able to take my positions confidently. And that is why right now I'm waiting for my entry point. So this is not I am not going to consider this as my entry point. So right here now the market is slightly making a ranging position, so let us see how the market is going to react it. So now the structure has been broke again. So here this structure right here, this structure has been broke already. According to the order blocks, we are in a profit zone right now. So whenever I see the double bottoms takes a breaks out to the downside, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna taking my Fibonacci from here to there. So this is my Fibonacci tool right now. So what I'm gonna do, I'll be taking this 50% as my entry area. So I'll be taking my another positions on this particular area, and this will be my take profit. So let's see how the market is going to react here. There we go. So now we are in our entry. So right now we are in our entry. So according to the Fibonacci, negative 0.618, this can be our take profit first of all for both of us. This because this was the last previous. So we all know that, and this was the first take profit is this one 0. I mean the zero, the where the Fibonacci has been started. That will becomes the sorry, where the Fibonacci has ended up, that will becomes the first take profit, and then after that the last previous low becomes the next take profit. So according to the when we combine the both, so this last previous low and as well as this one will becomes our take profit. So here I have taken my entry positions. If you guys want to see it, I'll be showing you there here somewhere around here, so don't worry about it. So this is my entry area, and then there we go. So that's our take profit for all now. Just see how the market is gonna go. There we go. So we hit our take profit for both of us. For this one, hit our take profit, and that for the second entry, we have taken our entry points though. So that is how I'll be taking my entry point here. And that is how I have taken my entry on the house in New Zealand, and I have also given my entry for the my private signal group, and this is so far. So for you guys, I'm also going to give you another signal where you guys can take up after the posting of this video. Right now I am working on the Euro USD. So while coming on to the Euro dollar, I am waiting for the market to give me any types of broke off structure so as I can be able to take my entry point. See, if I want to take my entry, that will be somewhere start from here, because that's the last previous high. So this will be my stop loss, and this will be my take profit. And the previous one was somewhere around, if we combine from here to here, 50 pips, 38 pips, so 28 30 pips, somewhere around it. So it's all good guys, if you use a proper risk management, that will becomes the more than you ever think about it. So for me right now, this is a euro dollar which I'm expecting at least 100 pips, so as we can be able to take our entry point at this point. You see, this is seems like the double bottoms, even it is seems like the double bottom. If the market gets reacted to that point, there we go, we're gonna be taking our entry positions. As we all know that this is a strong support, and according to here, we've been waiting for the entry point from here at least to here as a broke of structure, as if the market breaks the structure out, we straightly going to take our entry, and then we're gonna complete our take profit till here. So you guys can take this as your entry. Whenever the market goes above here, take your entry point, and then the market gets clear. So that is for all today, guys. If you guys like it, just please subscribe and like it. And if you guys wants to learn from me, you guys can contact me through Instagram, which is a ZORNFX, ZORNFX. And also, if you guys wanna talk personally, like, you can message me on, you can DM me on, or also you can go on through the Telegram page, where the ZORNFX is my page channel, and Samir Zone is my Telegram ID. So that is all for today, guys. If you guys like it, just subscribe and like it.